Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our English podcast. Today, we're diving into something super practical: daily English phrases and the art of small talk that you can easily sprinkle into your everyday conversations. Think of these as those little nuggets that native speakers use all the time. Once you pick these up, your English will flow smoother, and you'll sound so much more fluent and confident. Honestly, it's like adding superpowers to your communication skills, right?
Superpowers? That sounds like amazing. So are we talking about phrases I can use like at the coffee shop or, really anywhere?
Absolutely. Let's kick things off with greetings. A relaxed way to ask, "How are you?" is simply, "How's it going?" It's straightforward, effective, and instantly shows that you're friendly.
I like that. So instead of saying, "How are you?" all the time, I could totally switch it up. What would I say if someone asked me that?
Great follow-up. You could reply with, "I'm good, thanks," or "Not too bad." If you're feeling really relaxed, can't complain, captures that laid-back vibe perfectly.
Oh, wow. I can just imagine using that when I, run into my neighbors. They'll probably think I'm so cool or something. What if I ask someone what they're doing?
Perfect. You could say, "What's up?" or "What are you up to?" The responses tend to be chill as well, usually something like, "Not much," or "Just chilling." It's really all about keeping that relaxed vibe.
Just chilling. Haha, I'm definitely using that next time my buddy asks. I wonder, what if someone really surprises me?
When that happens, you could say, "No way," or "Are you serious?" And for those moments that catch you off guard, fun phrases like, "You've got to be kidding," work wonders.
Wow, you've got to be kidding. Sounds like it could go down in history as a reaction. What's something that would make me say that?
Haha! Imagine your friend suddenly telling you they've won the lottery. You'd be completely in disbelief, right? You'd definitely be saying, "You've got to be kidding." It just captures that shock perfectly.
Ooh, winning the lottery. Now that's the dream. So what about those work-related phrases like, what if I have to tell my boss I'm handling something?
For that, you can say, "I'm on it." It sounds confident and assures your boss you're taking care of it. Another handy phrase is, "Let me check," if someone asks for an update.
Let me check. Got it. It's like when you're on a treasure hunt and you've got to look in the right box, right? What about if I'm running late?
Exactly. You'd simply say, "I'm running late." Very straightforward. And if you need someone to bear with you for just a second, "Bear with me" is a polite way to ask for their patience.
Bear with me. Haha, sounds like the friendly bear is coming to help. So what do I say when something goes wrong?
Good one. In those moments, you might say, "Oh no," or "What a mess." It's just that natural reaction when things don't go as planned. If someone steps in to help you, saying, "Thank you so much," or "You're a lifesaver," really gets across your gratitude.
Ooh, I can totally picture that. If my cat runs away and my neighbor finds her, I'd be like, "You're a lifesaver." How do you express when you've forgotten something?
You'd say, "It slipped my mind," which is a lovely way to acknowledge that. And when it pops back into your mind, you could exclaim, "Oh, now I remember." It feels almost like a light bulb moment.
I can hear the cartoon light bulb going, "Dang, Tom, haha." Okay, how about ending conversations?
Ending conversations is just as important. You can say, "Gotta go," "Catch you later," or "Talk to you soon." Phrases like "Take care" and "Have a good one" are also friendly ways to wrap things up without sounding stiff.
Wow, there are so many options. It's like a buffet of phrases. Can I mix and match these phrases without feeling weird?
Absolutely. These phrases might be small, but they build your confidence immensely. Just pick a few that resonate with you and sprinkle them into your conversations. You'll be surprised at how natural they start to feel as you practice.
So it's like leveling up my skills at a game. I love it! So if I mess up, it's not the end of the world, right?
Exactly. Practice makes perfect. You'll definitely get better with time, and remember, every conversation is a learning experience.
A learning experience. I love that.
That wraps up today's exploration of daily English phrases. We'll be back with more gems in future episodes. Until next time, take care and keep speaking English.
Bye everyone, can't wait to try these out.